So the sun's setting right now, but I'm gonna test out my homemade UnderGlow paddleboard lights. Hopefully I can get it out at the right time. They're really excited because of how warm it is today. So it's taking forever to pump up, and I think it's because of how cold the air is. Keep going. So I'm actually super bummed because it took forever to blow this thing up in the cold, and then I forgot what I came here for. So I will be back tomorrow morning, and it will be awesome, as long as I don't get frostbite on my fingers and toes first. So it's been horrible weather the past couple days, so cold that I haven't wanted to go. But I'm flying to Thailand in 2 days, so it's today or never. So I'm gonna quickly jimmy rig a shop vac so that I can fill it up faster, because this cold air takes forever to pump by hand. I got it pumped up to about 15 PSI. The sun is about to set. And it's getting colder here. It's dropping back into freezing temperatures, so we got to get out there fast. So we just got here. It's cold and windy, but I'm gonna do it because if I don't do it now, we're never doing it. So I'm gonna try to get all the lights set up real quick. I can find them. So I'll be the first to admit this is not the brightest of ideas I've had. Don't fall in. Okay, so we are out here, and it is windy. I'm gonna go for a paddle. It's not really quite dark enough yet for them. It is windy! Oh man, these waves are big. I don't want them to push me though. Oh crap! I don't want to fall in. All these waves are big. I don't know if this is a good idea after all. Oh, I'm scared. My feet are getting wet. Oh man, I really don't want to go in right now. Oh crap. I don't want to fall in. These waves are gnarly. They're getting worse. Alright, this wind is ridiculous. And this water is too muddy. That's hardly even working at all. Oh man, I really don't want to fall in though. So I'm letting it push me in a little bit so I can get a little shallower. Oh crap. Oh, my pants are wet. All my legs are wet. I might go back in. These lights are not very good. It might work in clear water, but in this water out here, it ain't gonna work. It's too muddy. Maybe if it's darker it'll work too, but I tried. Crapsicles. So I think maybe if I let it get darker, they might work a little better, but my feet are about to turn into frozen ice blocks. So I think I'm just gonna make the walk of shame and take it back to the car. I tried. It looks cool like this, so as long as you never use it, it can look cool. It'll be like one of those cool guys' cars that they never actually race them, but they just make them look cool.